Guys, watch this. Gusto mo ba malaman paano ginagawa to using AI? Okay? Actually, meron kaming participant or student na nag-send sa amin nito and tinatanong niya, paano ba ginagawa to? So, lipat tayo dito sa view na to. So, una natin gagawin is pupunta tayo sa gemini.google. Okay? So, make sure na may account kayo dyan. And don't worry guys, this is free. Okay? Pero meron din naman siyang paid and mas marami pa yung gawa. Pero pag wala yung bumili, okay lang, free naman to. So, next, kailangan mo ng image. So ito, meron ako nakita sa internet lang and we're just gonna use it for example purposes lang, okay? So kita nyo, wala naman laman yan. Next, itong image na yan, ida-drag nyo lang dito kay Gemini. Next, i-click nyo tong create image. Okay? Make sure na naka-create click yan. Why? Kasi para alam niya na image talaga ang gagawin natin. Next is dapat meron kang prompt. So you just describe mo lang kung anong gusto mo mangyari. Gusto mo ba magkaroon ng building? Gusto mo ba magkaroon ng mga kung ano-ano man dyan? And then from this image, gagawin niya yun, okay? So, I'll give you an example kung ano yung prompt na ginamit ko. Yan, for example, ito yung prompt na ginawa ko. So, keep the exact camera angle. You can take a screenshot if you want. Lighting, direction, shadows, lahat. Size fits naturally. Tapos, yun lang. Sabi ko, large glass panels facing the camera. Yun lang. So, sabi ko, do not change the sky, the plants. Okay, so, only add the building in the open concrete area in front. Okay? So, yan yung ginawa na. Okay? And next, ano yung resulta niya? Yan, guys. Okay, nagkaroon siya ng mga kung ano-ano mga buildings. Okay, so if hindi ganyan yung output nyo, you can just readjust the prompt and sabihin nyo, gusto nyo mas maraming buildings. Okay? If nagkaroon ng tao, pa-remove nyo lang yung tao. So next, syempre, since meron na tayong dalawang image na may mga building and walang building, so this will be the start and end frame. Okay, tandaan niya, start and end frame. So anong gagawin natin para maging video sila? From Google Gemini, we will now transfer to Google Flow. Okay, so disregard nyo muna yung nagawa ko dyan kasi para mas mabilis tayo mamaya, meron na tayong example, okay? Pero turo ko sa inyo paano siya ginagawa. So, punta lang kayo dito sa frames to video. Yan, frames to video. And then, yan no. So, for the first image, pipiliin nyo lang yung lot na wala pang buildings. Second image, piliin nyo yung lot na may building na. Okay? And then, yan. Kiklik nyo na lang yung submit. Pero make sure na you put a prompt. Siguro like, put buildings or ako, guys, minamadali ko lang siya so you can have a better context pero you can explain further naman sa prompt nyo. Yan. So, for example, yan lang muna pero you can explain it further naman depending sa ano ginagawa nyo. And then, all you have to do is just generate. And maglo-loading na siya, guys. So, para hindi na tayo maghintay, we can just watch the first video that I generated and then later, let's watch this. So, kanina nga, nilagay ko nga lang, create a building in the scene. So, let's watch the output. So, loading lang siya. So, yan, di ba? Kita nyo naman, it's very, very easy. Pinagduktong lang niya and siya na gumawa ng effects na yan. Sobrang galing, di ba? And all of that was done just using AI. Wala na tayong shoot, hindi na tayo lumabas. And if you need something like this, you can just use this. So if you have other questions about regarding sa AI and paano siya ginagawa, you can just comment down below and I'll try my best to answer each and every one of you. Okay? So this is Jasper, your AI master. Like sinasabi, stay creative.